Hi crafters, I am Samia from SS Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this super easy 4 stencil idea. They're so easy to make, so let's get started. For that, I have taken a black paper and I have drawn a flower on it. Then I'm cutting according the flower with a paper cutter. After cutting according the flower shape, it's ready to draw. Now you can use it. I am taking soft pastel for drawing, but you can obviously use pigmented stencil color. Let's move to second stencil. For the second DIY stencil, I have taken a colored paper and I have drawn a leaf shape on it. Now I am cutting according the shape. After cutting according the leaf shape, it came out like this. I have drawn with soft pastel and it's so easy to make, right? For third bookmark, I'm taking a paper frame as shown camera and some strips I've taken and I'm randomly sticking the strips on the frame with some white fabrical glue. And now it's ready to use. Let's move on to third and final stencil. For that, I'm taking a frame again and taking some strips with a white glue. I am sticking the strips with the frame as shown as the video. And it's ready to use. So crafters, that was my today's video. If you enjoyed the video, so obviously like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.